Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Leo. I'm your host and English teacher, Leo. How is everyone doing today?
Hi, everyone. I am Anna. I am doing great today, Leo. But yesterday was a crazy day.
A crazy day. What happened yesterday, Anna? Did you fight a dinosaur?
No dinosaurs, but I woke up late, I burned my breakfast, and I ran to the bus stop in the rain. It was a disaster.
Oh, no. I'm sorry to hear that. But Anna, listen to yourself. You just told a great story in English.
I did? But I just complained about my bad luck.
Yes, but you talked about the past, and that is exactly our topic today. How to talk about your day using the past tense.
Oh, so my bad day is a good English lesson?
Exactly. So, to all our wonderful listeners, if you want to learn how to tell stories in English, please click the subscribe button right now.
Yes, click like to make my crazy yesterday feel better. Let's go.
So, Anna, why is the past tense so important?
Well, because life is mostly in the past, right? When I meet my friends, they always ask, "What did you do yesterday?" or "How was your weekend?"
Exactly. We use the past tense to talk about finished actions, things that happened yesterday, last week, or 10 years ago.
But Leo, the past tense is scary. There are so many rules. Add ed, don't add ed, change the whole word. My brain hurts.
Don't worry, Anna. Today, we will make it very simple. We will divide it into 3 easy steps. Let's start with step 1, states and locations. Before we talk about actions like running or eating, we need to talk about how we felt or where we were. Today, I am happy. Yesterday, I was happy.
So am becomes was. That is easy. What about is? Like, the weather is sunny today.
Good question. Is also becomes was. Yesterday, the weather was rainy.
Okay, so am is becomes was. So yesterday, I was angry because I burned my breakfast.
Perfect. Now, what about you, we, or they? Today, you are here. Yesterday, you were here.
Were, are becomes were, W-E-R-E. So we were wet in the rain.
Exactly. Let's practice. Where were you last Saturday evening, Anna?
Last Saturday, I was at the cinema with my friends. We were very excited. The movie was terrible.
A terrible movie, but perfect English. I, he, she, it, was, you, we, they, were. Now, step 2, actions. What did you do? For most English verbs, we just add a magic ending, ed.
The famous ED.
Yes. Let's compare. Present, I walk to the park every day. Past, I walked to the park yesterday.
Walk, walked. Okay, let me try. Present, I cook dinner. Past, I cooked dinner last night.
Excellent. Let's try some more. What did you do after you cooked dinner?
I cleaned the kitchen, then I watched TV, I talked to my mom on the phone, and I played a game on my phone.
Cleaned, watched, talked, played. You are an ED master, Anna.
This is easy. Just add ed to everything. So yesterday, I eated an apple.
Wait.
What? Why did you make that sound? Eated is wrong?
Yes, this is step 3. Some English verbs are rebels. They don't follow the ED rule. We call them irregular verbs. They change completely.
Oh no, the rebels. I knew it was too easy.
Don't worry. They are very common words, so you will remember them quickly. Let's look at the most famous rebel, go. We don't say goed.
Then what do we say? I went?
Yes, went. Present, I go to work. Past, I went to work yesterday.
Okay, go, went. What about eat? You said eated is wrong.
The past of eat is ate. A-T-E. Yesterday, I ate an apple.
8. It sounds like the number 8.
Exactly. Let's do a quick lightning round. See, saw, I saw a dog. Drink, drank, I drank coffee. Have, had, I had a headache. Take, took, I took a photo.
Wow. Go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, have, had. It's like a fun puzzle.
Now the final challenge. Let's put everything together in a story. Tell me about a good day you had recently.
Okay, let me think. Last weekend was great. On Sunday morning, I went to the city center.
Good start. What did you do there?
I walked around and looked at the shops. I saw a beautiful dress, so I bought it. Oh, buy becomes bought, right?
Yes, buy becomes bought. Perfect. Then what?
I was hungry, so I went to a cafe. I ate a big piece of cake and drank hot chocolate. I had a wonderful time.
Anna, that was a flawless story. You used was for states, regular verbs like walked and looked, and irregular verbs like went, saw, bought, ate, and drank. You naturally blended them all.
Wow, I did. I feel so smart. The past tense is not scary anymore. It's just a mix of was, ed, and a few rebels.
Exactly. See, English grammar is not a monster. Let's summarize our 3 simple steps for our listeners.
Okay, let me review my notes. Step 1, for feelings and places, use was, I, he, she, it, or were, you, we, they. Step 2, for normal actions, just add ed, walked, watched, cooked. Step 3, memorize the common rebels, irregular verbs, go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, have, had.
Brilliant summary. If you remember these 3 steps, you can tell any story about your day.
Even a story about burning breakfast.
Yes, even that one. Now it's time for you, our amazing listeners, to practice.
Yes, we have a question of the day for you.
Please tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend?
Keep it simple. Write 2 or 3 sentences. For example, I went to the park. I ate ice cream. It was fun.
We love reading your stories. Don't worry about making mistakes. Making mistakes is how we learn.
And please like this video and subscribe to English with Leo for more fun lessons.
Thank you for spending your day with us. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day and a great yesterday.
Goodbye.